Hi everyone, I'm Kat, and today's video is just gonna be a very short one. I'll be sharing with you guys a glimpse of my day of crocheting my customer order of 20 pieces Amigurumi broccoli in a mini size version. I actually received the order around 3 weeks ago, but since last week I got sick, I just don't feel right to crochet during sick days. Now I feel much better, and I thought this will be the right time to finish all the broccolis, and hopefully I can also post it out this week for the customer. So far I already crocheted around 15 of them, 8 on the first week after I received the order, another 7 just recently. I do have some short clips during my crocheting the 7 other broccoli, but I'm not sure if I would include it in this video. Silly me, I was actually deleting some clips from our past recording, but I accidentally deleted the wrong clips, and now I cannot even restore it anymore. And this is the only clips of my crocheting process that I have left. So the previous clips is actually almost the end of my crocheting process, so I cannot even show you any more of the journey. It's very sad to think about it, but let's just move on with the next process, shall we? Hello everyone, I've got good news for you guys. I already finished all of my 20 pieces Amigurumi broccoli last week, but I haven't got the chance to pack all of them. So tonight I will pack them all and probably will post it out tomorrow. I already finished all of them last Saturday, and I also added, what do you call that, something on their eyes. Let me show you guys. It's easier to show you guys the broccolis than just say. You probably just won't understand any of the words that I've said. So like this one, and you can see, look at those details, aren't they cute? Oh, she's cute. Oh, I've got another one. Yeah, this one. It's cute. Oh, okay, I want to share with you guys this one. Last week I kind of become obsessed with this one, so I made a bigger one for this version. I'm gonna show you guys the broccoli that I made last week. It's just here. She's cute. I really love it. Seriously, I really love it. When I crocheted this, I added the details on the eyes, so that's when I've got the idea to actually add the same detail on this broccoli. So yeah, let's begin. But first of all, this is the biggest box that I could find that can fit all the broccolis. I'm gonna pack for her 20 pieces of Amigurumi keychain ring. I'm gonna put all of these inside. 20 of them here, so I'm gonna put this aside first. So I also gave her one of my bigger broccoli as a free gift, and I added another detail on the broccoli like this one. It's not bad. I hope she likes it. I remember the name. I put the bubble wrap inside, and now let's pack the broccoli together. I'm gonna put all the green one at the bottom, and the white, anything with white in the middle part, and then on the top part maybe all the other green. Put it there. Oh, it's so cute. I feel like it always feel emotional packing the things that I crocheted. So actually there is a sad news with this order. While happily packing them up that night, my customer suddenly informed me the next morning that she doesn't want 5 of the broccoli and only wanted 15 of them. To be honest, I actually have a mixed feeling about it. I was sad, but also at the same time, I'm trying to understand, and I keep telling myself that it's okay. These things happen in business, and I can only hope that the other 5 broccoli will soon find their forever owner and their forever home. And I had to speed up my packing process here because it's actually taking forever to be done. And I hope you guys still enjoy this video. I will make it better next time. I'm gonna pack it upside down though. This one, yeah, it's really bad. Got the tape here, so let's tape it up. I'm not sure with you guys. Do you guys feel okay if a business like use a recycle packaging to pack your order? Will you guys still buy from that shop? I'm done. Okay, so you guys probably see my background is not really ideal for any YouTuber that you see out there, or probably mine is the worst. I'm not sure, but all I hope is that even with this background, there's still gonna be people who want to watch my video and give me support, so that maybe one day when I reach the goal of YouTube, I could make a better living, I could make a better working area, I could make a better background for you guys, so that you guys don't feel uncomfortable watching my video. I think that's all from me. I'm gonna post this one tomorrow. I don't know if I could record the journey and show you guys, but yeah, for now that's all from me. I hope I'm gonna see you guys again in my next video. Bye.